good season. How would you sum that up, Chris?
I mean, the actual game itself, I don't think it was our best performance of the season. I thought, struggled to get to grips with it a little bit in the first half, because obviously we've had 3-4 weeks since our last game, but we slowly built into it, took control. Obviously Oshan gets us a crucial goal from the penalty before half time, and then I think there was only one team likely to win in the second half. Great goal from Brookie when he came on, and then Oshan again at the end has done what he's done all season and won us the game.
We could have scored more in the second half.
Yeah, I mean,
held out.
Second half we had control of the game. We spoke about half time that we didn't have enough control in the first half. It was a bit of a basketball match end to end, but yeah, we got hold of it second half, and with the attacking substitutions we had too much for them in the end.
Some great substitutions as well. That's happened throughout the season, some great substitutions, and the substitutions to win the game as well.
Really difficult decision today, obviously, not to start with Brookie. He's just not been as fit as he'd probably like in recent months, so we made the call to have him finish the game rather than start the game, and what a response from him to come on and score that goal.
Fantastic response. How long we got? 3 weeks? We start again?
Yeah, something like that. Haven't looked at it yet.
Tier 2, Chris, that's what we've been aiming for the last 2 years, and we got there. How are we going to tackle Tier 2?
Yeah, look, the job was to get back into Tier 2 when we came in. We knew it was going to be very difficult this season, because I mean, when Bangor dropped into our league and the players they were able to sign across the full season, it was always going to be difficult to win the league, so we had to make sure we got to the playoff final today and win it from here, and I don't think there's any better way to win it in a cup final like this.
Thanks so much. Diolch yn fawr, Chris.
Diolch.